Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using some of these pink trees and wooden dice from Dollar Tree and little candies from Hobby Lobby. I started by taking the 3 wooden dice and painting them all with Ivory chalk paint by Waverly, and I gave them 2 coats. After they were completely dry, I took vintage Victorian chalk paint by Folkart and the stencil I got from Dollar Tree. It's about 3/4 inch letters, and I stenciled on the pink paint a J, O, and a Y. And when stenciling, I use a stencil brush and I dab just about almost all of the paint off before I stencil on the letters. After they were completely dry, I just went in with a small paintbrush and filled in the gaps left from the stencils. And then I'm taking these little candy ornaments that are from Hobby Lobby, and I cut off the little round piece from them and hot glue these 3 peppermints to the tops of each of the trees. And then I take these little ornaments, they're little lollipops, and I cut the ornament top off of them and remove the little stick and hot glue them all throughout the trees. I then take this snow tex and a small paintbrush and dab it on the outer edge on the top of each of the dice, just leaving enough space where I'm going to be gluing down each of the little trees. After the snow text is all on, I hot glue each tree down onto the dice. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.